Tom, I can't find my phone.
Your phone? When did you last see it?
I used it in the morning. After that, I don't know.
Don't worry. Let's think together.
I feel stressed. My phone has all my contacts.
There is no reason to panic. We will find it.
Do you think I left it on the sofa?
Maybe. Or it could be in the bedroom.
I already checked the bedroom.
Okay. Did you check your bag?
Oh. I didn't check my bag. Yes. It's here.
That's great.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Next time, stay calm.
Yes, I will. You really made me feel better.
Welcome home, Anna. How was your day?
It was long and very tiring. I worked all day. I am very hungry now.
I understand. Please sit down and relax. Dinner is almost ready.
Thank you, Tom. You are very kind to me.
Would you like some water first?
Yes, please. I am really thirsty. This kitchen looks very clean today.
Thank you. I cleaned it in the afternoon after lunch.
That's great. Everything looks nice. How can I help you?
You don't need to help today. You can sit and relax. I will serve the food.
Really? That sounds very nice.
Yes. You worked hard today. You deserve some rest.
Thank you, Tom. I feel happy and relaxed now.
I am glad to hear that.
This food is delicious. You cook very well.
Thank you. I am happy you like it.
Welcome to our hotel. How may I help you?
Hello. I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
Yes. My name is Anna Brown.
Thank you, Ms. Brown. Let me check your booking. Yes, I found your reservation. You booked one room for 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that is correct.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Your room is ready.
That's great. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Okay. Is Wi-Fi free in the hotel?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free. Here is the password.
Thank you very much.
Your room number is 305. The elevator is on the left.
Thank you. Can someone help me with my luggage?
Yes, of course. Our staff will help you.
That's very kind of you.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. I'm sure I will. Tom, did you check your pockets?
Yes, I looked, but nothing.
What are you looking for?
I am looking for my wallet. I had it this morning.
Don't worry. Let's think together. Where did you go today?
First, I went to the bus stop. Then I went to work.
Did you use your wallet at the bus stop?
Yes, I bought a ticket there.
Okay. Did you check your bag?
Yes, I checked my bag. It's not there.
I can see you are worried. Take a deep breath.
I feel stressed. My ID and money are in that wallet.
I understand. Let's go back to the bus stop and ask there.
Do you think it will be there?
Maybe. Sometimes people find lost things and keep them safe.
I hope so.
Next time, keep your wallet in one safe place.
Yes, you are right. I need to be more careful.
Don't blame yourself too much. These things happen.
Thank you, Anna. You are very kind.
You're welcome. I'm here to help you.
I feel a little better now.
Good. Let's ask and see what happens.
Hello, good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I am not feeling well today.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I have a headache and a cold.
I see. How long have you had these symptoms?
Since last night. I did not sleep well.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so. Just a headache and runny nose.
Okay. I can give you some medicine for that.
Thank you. Is it safe to take?
Yes, it is safe if you follow the instructions.
How many times should I take it?
Take one tablet 2 times a day, after food.
Should I drink water with it?
Yes, please drink a full glass of water.
Are there any side effects?
You may feel a little sleepy. That is normal.
Okay. Can I go to work after taking it?
Yes, but if you feel very tired, take some rest.
That sounds good. How much does it cost?
It costs $5.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your medicine.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
I will. Have a nice day.
Hi, Anna. It's nice to see you here.
Hi, Tom. Yes, it's nice to see you too. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. I just finished my work.
That's good. You look happy today.
Yes, I am. I like walking here after work. It helps me relax.
I feel the same way. This place is calm and peaceful.
Did you have a busy day?
Yes, a little busy, but it was okay. I learned many new things.
That's great. Learning new things is always good.
What about you? How was your day?
My day was long, but not too hard. My coworkers were helpful.
That's nice to hear. Good coworkers make work easier.
Yes, they do. Do you come to this park often?
Sometimes. I like to walk here in the evening.
Me too. Walking helps me forget my stress.
Same here. Fresh air makes me feel better.
Would you like to walk together for a while?
Yes, I would like that.
Great. Let's go this way.
Okay. I'm happy we met today.
Me too. It made my day better.
Excuse me, Tom. Can you help me?
Of course, Anna. What do you need?
I am trying to find the city library. I think I am lost.
Don't worry. The library is not very far from here.
That's good to hear. Which way should I go?
Go straight on this road for 2 blocks.
Okay. Should I cross the road?
Yes. Cross at the traffic light.
After that, what should I do?
Turn left when you see a big park.
A big park?
Yes. You will see many trees and a small lake.
That sounds nice.
After you turn left, walk for 5 minutes.
Will the library be on the right or left?
It will be on your right side.
Is there a sign in front of it?
Yes. There is a large sign that says City Library.
Thank you so much. Your directions are very clear.
You're welcome. Are you new to this area?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
I see. If you need help again, just ask.
I will. People here are very kind.
I'm glad you feel that way.
Have a great day.
You too. Good luck finding the library.
Sorry, Tom. I feel a bit confused. I think I took the wrong way.
It's okay, Anna. Don't worry. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the post office, but I think I am lost.
No problem. I can help you.
Thank you. I really need help now.
Look at this road sign. It shows a left turn.
Oh, I see it now.
First, cross the road at the zebra crossing.
Okay. I can do that.
After crossing, turn left and walk straight.
How far should I walk?
Walk for about 5 minutes.
Will I see anything special there?
Yes. You will see a small coffee shop and a bus stop.
Okay. That sounds easy.
After the bus stop, the post office will be on your right.
That's great. Thank you for explaining slowly.
You're welcome. Are you new in this city?
Yes, I moved here last month.
I understand. New places can be confusing.
Yes, but people like you make it easier.
I'm happy to help.
Thank you again.
Have a nice day, Anna.
You too, Tom.